Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing. Every week we try to put out new videos on different things about, woodworking or shop improvements or tools. And this week we're featuring these 20 bin storage containers that we bought from Harbor Freight. I think I paid $8.99, but you can get them on sale as cheap as $5.99. So this would be my good buy of the week. Full disclosure, I bought two of these a couple years ago. I was thankful that they still made the exact same one. So I don't live that close to Harbor Freight, but I did end up going to Harbor Freight about a week ago. And I had always planned on doing a storage rack down here. And basically I wanted to do pull-out trays and have complete organization. So when I went to Harbor Freight, I was pretty thankful that they had the exact same one, and it was $8.99. You can find them on sale for $5.99, but they weren't on sale when I was there, and so I had to pay $8.99. So today, our project is we're going to make pull-out racks for all these bins, and yeah, let's get started. The first thing I do is I measure and make a storyboard. And the storyboard helps me lay out all the dimensions of the pieces so they fit in there nice. I then cut the plywood bottoms to the trays on my table saw, and basically it makes quick work of it. I rip both sides down, then I take my Craig pocket hole jig and I start putting pocket holes in all of the bottom plates. Pocket holes take a little while. I had 7 boards to do, both sides, so that took a little while. I then glued and screwed all the sides to the trays, and basically I like pocket screws. They hold real good, and if you put glue too, then they're going to be bulletproof. I then rip it down to the size of the hinge. I didn't want any more thickness than the hinge could take. And then I proceeded to, the tedious task of putting all the hinges and trays in. I then thought, hey, let's dress it up with a little walnut. But I didn't have hardly any, so I ripped these really thin pieces down, and they barely even fit on there. But I glued them on there and shot a few little brad nails in them just to kind of dress up the front a little bit. And I thought it was okay. I mean, it is my shop, but I still like it to kind of look good. Yeah, the little walnut, I think eventually I'll put a little polyurethane on those pieces just to make it look a little cleaner. But yeah, they came out okay. And they're only like 3/16 inch thick. They're super thin. I could barely even cut them on the table saw, ripping them. It was a little tricky to rip that thin of material. But it does dress it up a little bit, and I think with a little polyurethane on it, it'll look good. Thanks for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking. Now I get to stock up my storage bins. This came out really nice. I was trying to fit 7 in there, but I ended up only fitting 6. Now I get to stock it up. But yeah, that's going to be super nice for really handy, and now I can get rid of all the bends of screws that I have. I can start organizing them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.